In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Control Center. Following that, hit App Notifications. And by tapping on blue switchers next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them. Then switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on any app on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!